Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where passion meets power and heritage lives forever. Today, we're taking you back in time, but with a modern twist. Feast your eyes on this stunning Dodge Ram Vintage Edition, inspired by the legendary 1948 Dodge Power Wagon, a symbol of raw American strength, timeless craftsmanship, and unstoppable style. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling piece of history that brings back the golden age of motoring. Let's dive into what makes this classic beast so iconic and why it still turns heads in 2026. Exterior. The first thing you notice is that mint green paint job, fresh, nostalgic, and totally irresistible. It's like stepping into a time capsule. The curvy fenders, split windshield, and bold front grille with that Ram lettering shout vintage American muscle. Unlike modern trucks full of sharp angles, this one embraces those soft, smooth, rounded lines that define post-war automotive design. The chrome bumpers, circular headlights, and black Ram plate at the front give it that classy retro charm, while the thick tires and blacked-out mirrors add a tough, confident stance. The attention to detail is pure craftsmanship, every curve and line feels hand-built, not machine-made. You can almost imagine this truck rumbling down a dusty American road in the 1950s, carrying tools, timber, or maybe just dreams of freedom. Interior. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've entered a living museum. The cabin keeps that old-school simplicity but mixes it with modern comfort. The dashboard retains its metal finish and big circular gauges, but now with digital retro dials and soft ambient lighting. The steering wheel is thick, strong, and feels like something built for real work, not just show. Leather seats, hand-stitched details, and minimal tech make the experience raw yet elegant. There's no massive touchscreen here, just pure connection between driver and machine. That's what makes this Ram special, it doesn't try to be futuristic. It respects where it came from, reminding you that driving used to be about feeling, not just data. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't just a pretty face. Beneath that vintage hood sits a 5.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine paired with mild hybrid assist. It's capable of producing around 400 horsepower and over 500 Newton-meters of torque. That means you're not just cruising, you're commanding the road. The acceleration is smooth yet powerful, taking you from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 6 seconds, which is insane for a retro-style truck. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic, crisp, responsive, and tuned for both city driving and long highway stretches. And thanks to the rear-wheel drive setup, it gives you that authentic truck feel, raw, direct, and incredibly satisfying. What's surprising is how modern the ride feels. Dodge engineers fitted it with adaptive suspension, so you get both comfort and control. The braking system is upgraded to full ventilated discs, ensuring you stop as confidently as you move. Fuel economy. Well, you don't buy this for mileage, you buy it for emotion. But still, with hybrid assist, it gives you a respectable efficiency of around 12 to 14 miles per gallon, depending on how heavy your right foot is. It's not about being fast, it's about being forever. Price. If you're dreaming of owning this piece of art, be ready to invest. The Dodge Ram Vintage Edition 1948 comes with a base price starting around $120,000 to $150,000, depending on customization and country regulations. But what you're paying for here isn't just performance, it's history reborn. Each of these trucks is handcrafted, detailed, and built with an obsessive level of precision. Collectors from the US, Russia, and even the Middle East are already putting down deposits. Because this isn't a truck, it's an emotion on 4 wheels. So, what makes this 1948 Dodge Ram Vintage Edition truly special? It's the perfect mix of heritage and heartbeat. It's built for those who don't just drive, they feel the road. From the mint green glow of its fenders to the raw sound of its V8 engine, everything about it tells a story of hard work, resilience, and timeless beauty. In a world obsessed with electric silence, this truck still speaks with the voice of thunder. It's not here to compete, it's here to remind. To remind us what real machines used to be like. So if you ever get a chance to see one, hear one, or drive one, don't miss it. Because this, right here, is automotive art at its finest. If you loved this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to NewCarMagZ, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world's rarest and most powerful rides. Drop a comment below, backhand index pointing down. Would you take this vintage Ram out for a weekend road trip, or keep it shining as a collector's jewel in your garage? This is NewCarMagZ, signing off, where passion meets horsepower, and legends never die. Oncoming automobile Greenheart Fire.